dipersembahkan oleh...
Kembali lagi di malam penganugerahan Forbes Indonesia Best of the Best Awards 2012, pemirsa. Pengalaman merupakan salah satu faktor yang menentukan keberhasilan sebuah perusahaan di bidang apapun. Dan di penghujung tahun 2012 ini, apresiasi yang diberikan oleh Forbes Indonesia pada kinerja dan juga prestasi perusahaan-perusahaan terkemuka di Indonesia selayaknya dapat menjadi inspirasi dan juga motivasi untuk terus berkontribusi dalam membangun perekonomian di Indonesia.
Agung Podomoro Land.
Agung Podomoro Land.
Thank you very much. Okay. A leading property developer, its roots stretch back more than 40 years. It has many notable projects around Jakarta. And here's Pak. Thank you very much. And congratulations. It's recently been trying to promote people to move back closer to the city to help alleviate all the traffic jams here, which I think is a great idea.
Saya mewakili Agung Podomoro Land Tbk mengucapkan terima kasih pada Forbes Magazine karena sudah memberikan satu penghargaan buat perusahaan kami, dan ini sekaligus juga membuktikan konsep kami Back to the City dan Super Block itu mendapat apresiasi daripada majalah internasional yaitu Forbes. Kami juga banyak mendapat penghargaan, tetapi ini agak berbeda karena dari Forbes Magazine. Di kemudian hari, dengan penghargaan ini, kami akan berusaha semaksimal mungkin untuk tidak mengecewakan Forbes dengan penghargaan telah diberikan kepada kami. Kami juga mengharapkan Forbes di kemudian hari juga menjadi lebih besar daripada saat ini, dan saya kira event seperti ini perlu diadakan terus untuk terus mendorong semangat daripada perusahaan-perusahaan Indonesia untuk lebih maju lagi dan supaya bisa setara dengan international company.
We are very proud of the award given to us by Forbes tonight, and we hope that this will challenge our people to produce more better products for Indonesia.
The next company to win this award, I go here every day, which is Bumi Serpong Damai, or
BSD,
best known as BSD. And this is a area half the size of Paris.
Wow.
Yep. And it encompasses a total area of approximately 6,000 hectares with around 3/4 of the available land yet to be developed. And BSD has been developed over the last 19 years since 2003. This gigantic project is fully managed by a division of the Sinarmas Group. So we move on to the number 41, which is Fast Food Indonesia. I'm sure everybody knows the 3-letter word KFC.
KFC.
Yep, the best known as the operator of the famous fast food chain. KFC is the largest fast food chain in the country with a market share of around 60%. And it has over 400 outlets across the country. And this is what's interesting is the company now has also ventured into music. When I had a friend from Malaysia coming over, this is really interesting. You can buy CDs now in a KFC outlet. And it turns out it really is successful. And this is also a second-time award winner for Fast Food Indonesia.
Congratulations. So now we've got number 42. It's a company called Indo Spring. And you may not have heard of it, but it's a leading manufacturer of automotive leaf and coil springs. It was set up in 1978. And one of its main export markets is Japan. So congratulations. Now we're moving on to Malindo Feed Mill. This is another one of our second-time winners, and it was established in 1997 and listed on the exchange in 2006. The company is in the agri-food business and is also, which is also a very fast-growing segment, and so they're a very fast-growing company as well. Congratulations.
And so we'll go to our next winner, which is
ABM Investama, specializing in operating companies related to the energy sector with investments in energy resources, services, and infrastructure. And it looks for synergy between these businesses. Of course, it's affiliated with the Trakindo Group that sells the Caterpillar brand of heavy equipment. So congratulations. And so now for our final company of the night.
Our final company of the night is Japfa Comfeed Indonesia. Its core business activities include animal feed manufacturing, chicken breeding, poultry processing, and aquaculture farming. The company's outstanding competitive advantages are vertical integration and economies of scale. And the company had its roots in copra pellet production in the 1970s. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All of the 50's best of the best in Indonesia.
And of course, we'd like to thank Christopher Forbes, our Vice Chairman, and Edmund Coe for doing a great job with helping present the awards tonight.
And thank you so much to UBS for being our platinum sponsors. A round of applause for UBS AG once again.